Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, so I was wearing this shirt. This is my first shirt. Bongs bunny just bar like by this time big sets looking at bunny you know. So that's why it's written like bunny so yes sola. So it's now it's bongs BUNNY. So and it was juice bar, not pass. So this is the first shirt ever made. Hey, tlogela I knew what this is the first shirt ever made. Hey, tlogela I first shirt ever made. So can you go to a transformer and make it like a bodysuit kind of type of a situation, like something I can wear with a jean. And yeah, let's see how it comes out. Didn't hang fit. Anyway, don't mind the dirt. I was wearing this yesterday. And this is what I did. Like I cut here. I drew like a line. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I drew like a line in the shape of my body. So we're going to cut there. Hi, sharp also. And then as you guys can see, cut it like this. So watch on. So as you guys can see. So I'm gonna stitch the sides together. I'm gonna stitch here and then also here, and then I'm gonna stitch here as well. So we'll be done. We'll see how it goes, how it comes. Baby, go give me something, what I do. Dang.